Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to clean the laser optics and mirrors of your Speedy 100 laser machine. Keeping your laser components clean is crucial for maintaining the quality and longevity of your machine. Remember, only perform cleaning when necessary to avoid excessive wear. Before we begin, ensure you have the following items: 3mm and 10mm hex tools from the red accessory box, optical lens and mirror cleaner solution, lens tissue, a pair of rubber gloves. Note, these are not included with your machine. Removing the primary focus lens. Gently unscrew the focus head clockwise to remove the primary focus lens. Put on rubber gloves to avoid direct contact with the lens. Carefully remove the lens from its metal housing without touching it with your bare hands. Cleaning the lens. Open your lens cleaner and apply about 3 to 4 drops directly onto the lens. Take a piece of lens tissue and gently wipe the lens from the center outward, using light pressure. Rotate the tissue to use a clean section for each wipe. Ensure you clean both sides of the lens thoroughly. Reinstalling the lens. Place the lens back into its housing, making sure not to touch the glass. Check the lens for correct installation by looking at the reflection. A very large reflection indicates an upside-down installation. Correct this by rotating the lens until the reflection shows your entire face clearly. Screw the lens back onto the focus head counterclockwise until secure. Cleaning the main mirror. Unscrew the silver knob on top of the focus head counterclockwise and remove the main mirror. Clean the mirror using the same method as the lens. Apply 3 to 4 drops of cleaning solution and wipe gently with lens tissue, rotating to use a clean section each time. Once clean, replace the mirror and tighten the silver knob clockwise until it is snug. Cleaning the second mirror. Use the 10mm hex tool to remove the right side panel of the laser machine. With the 3mm hex tool, remove the 2 silver bolts from the additional mirror. Avoid adjusting any brass knobs, as these are for alignment. Once the bolts are removed, remove the mirror assembly. Clean this mirror like the first mirror. Use 3 to 4 drops of the lens cleaning solution and gently wipe the mirror up and away, refraining from using too much pressure. Rotate the lens tissue each time it is wiped, never using the same part of the tissue more than once, until the mirror is clean. To replace the clean mirror, line up the pin and the hole shown here. Tighten the mirror using the 2 silver bolts and the 3mm hex tool. Place the first bolt, but do not completely tighten it. Then place the second bolt. Then finish tightening the first bolt. Replace the side panel using the 10mm hex tool and ensure it is firmly closed. Regularly check the primary lens daily and the mirrors weekly. The frequency of cleaning will depend on your specific environment. Properly cleaning and maintaining your Speedy 100's optics will ensure peak performance and extend the life of your laser system. Remember, only clean when necessary and use the right tools and techniques as demonstrated. For more maintenance tips and tutorials, subscribe to our channel or see our customer portal at mytrotec.com.